school, let alone college, but in my head, I thought if I did 5 outfits with 5 different pair of pants, I would get to 50 outfits. And I was putting on this last outfit, I was like, holy SHIT, this is so easy. I think it's because it's a capsule wardrobe. I was like, I could keep going. I could literally keep going. I never have that with 50 outfits. By the last 5, I want to die. It's because I did 25. But now, it's too late for me to go back and do the rest, so this is now 25 outfits. I can't believe how dumb I am. That's so funny. But this was really easy. It's easier than even me doing 21 outfits. So, capsule wardrobe's the way to go. Comment your favorite outfit down below. Sorry I didn't give you 50. Make sure to like and subscribe too if you liked this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye. Ow.